Hello students, today we will discuss the uh, how to access the subset from a data frame, means accessing the list of values from the data frame. So in previous class we have discussed how to access the single column or list of columns of a data frame. Now we will discuss the accessing the subset from a data frame. So how to access the subset from a data frame. Selecting accessing a subset from a data frame means here we use LOC or ILOC, means here we will use the data frame object name and the column slices and the row slices. Means for accessing the data frame, we will use the column slices and the data frame row slices. Suppose the data frame object name is data frame object, and under the square bracket we will use the row slices name, means the row slices, column slices and row slices. First of all, first we will define the column slices, columns column slices, and second we will define the row slices. And by using these methods, the row and column, means the subset of the data frame, will be extracted. Again method, another method is the LOC, means the location. In the locations we will pass the we will pass the start row value, end row value, start column value and end column value. Here we will also providing the colon operator, means the colon operator is known as the slice operator. So means the we can access the multiple row or multiple column using the slice method. First one is the slice method, second one is the LOC using the LOC, and third one is the specifying the value. Suppose the data frame name is the DF. Suppose data frame name is the DF, and we will specify the value, and the value will be represented under the two square bracket. One square bracket for the DF and second square bracket for the list of objects. So here we will specify the value, means the what value we want to extract from the data. So for we suppose we will use the value that is the under the columns name, that is we will use the LOC or ILOC, means LOC means LOC will give the other than integer value, but the ILOC will give the only integer index value, means position will be start from the 0 to n minus 1, and the column position will also start from the 0 to m minus 1, where n and m is the number of row and the number of column. So let's start how to access the subset from a value. So we will using the this data frame, and name of the data frame is DF. So name of the data frame is DF, and we will use the DF data frame. On from DF data frame, I am going to give you the example how to access the data frame. Obtaining the subset from a data frame. So first method is the df dot loc, and under the square brackets we will use, first is column name is Delhi, means the column name is Delhi, and row means row name is Delhi, and column, under the columns we will use the colon, means the row value will be the Delhi and column will be the all column value. Means if we will not specify the any columns name, that means the all the column value, means the Delhi index having the Delhi value of contains the all the columns names, means the all columns of a daily index value. So LOC method, by using the LOC method, we will extract the data from the data frames. Now we will discuss this example with the help of Spider notebook. So let's explain you with the help of practicals. Suppose the data frame name is DF, and we will using the DF dot LOC, and under the square brackets we will providing the name of the index. Index name is Delhi, and another argument, first argument is Delhi, and another argument is colon. Means the colon means the all the column value of Delhi. So we will use the print statement for display the output. So the output will be the output will be the all the column value for daily index. Means the index name is Delhi and column name is populations, hospitals and school. We can also use the colon operators here. So the colon operator is, first one is the Delhi, and Delhi, and second column's name is the Mumbai. So we will use the another column name using the column value, that is the Mumbai, and all the columns name, means index name is Delhi to Mumbai, means the Delhi to Mumbai having the all column. It will display the details of Delhi to Mumbai having the all columns. So this is a subset from the original data frame. Original data frame name is DF, and from the DF data frames, extracting the value from Delhi to Mumbai for the all columns name. We can also specify the column value. Suppose the column value is, we want to display the two column value. First column value is population. First column value is populations, and from populations to hospital. Second column value is hospitals, means from the populations to hospital. It will display the details of Delhi and Mumbai, and two details is from populations to hospitals, means subset from the DF data frame having the two row, that is the Delhi and Mumbai, and two column, that is the populations and hospitals. So displaying the subset from the value, means how to displaying the subset from the value, that is the two row and two columns. So two row and two columns, columns name is populations and hospitals. The columns names is a case sensitive, so you use the proper way for writing the columns names. If you be the uppercase and lowercase both have the different meaning. So this is the subset from the a data frame. So here we will using the LOC, means by using LOC we will pass the other than numeric value. But if we want to access the location using the numeric value, then we will use the ILOC, means we will use the ILOC. So we write the command that print df dot I LOC. In ILOC, we will pass the numeric value. Suppose the two numeric row first of all, the row slices, then the column slices. Means the column slices 0 to 2. Means the row slices and column slices. Row will be started from the 0 and column will also started from the 0. So in LOC means that it will returns the we will pass the alphabetical value in LOC. When we use the LOC methods, then we have to pass the alphabetical value. But when we use the ILOC method, then we have to use the row slices and column slices. So the accessing the row, or we will using the row slices and column slices. In the same output will be displayed by writing the two type of syntax. First one is the LOC and second one is the ILOC. Next class, we will discuss the renaming the columns and changing the value or adding the index. Means how to rename the value, how to change the value, and how to delete the value, or how to drop the columns from a data frame. Okay, students, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, students, bye bye.